This is my new duckweed project. It's about twice the size as the other one. Just got it down there. It's not complete yet. Basically got this big barrel in here. I'm using it as a swirl filter. Any solids collect at the bottom and I use that to filter it. I don't know if you can see in there. It's got a reflection. It's a swirl filter. It's got a little pipe right there. Right there. And all the solids will go on the bottom, and just the nutrient water should go up there. Basically what I'm doing is I'm mixing kind of like a rabbit manure tea, and I'm pouring it in here and using that to fertilize. Duckweed, I don't know, I'm mixed about it. I keep doing my experiments just to test it to the limit, see what it can do, but you know, there's a lot of human error, you know, obviously there's a lot of experimentation going on, so it's supposed to double its size every 2 days, you know. That must be like some strain that I don't have, because mine doubles its size, you know, every week, which, you know, by itself is pretty impressive. But I have not been able to achieve that. I'm hoping I might start measuring the nutrient level, you know, because this is all by ear. It's nothing scientific about it, just experimenting around. But in the future I might get a little bit more scientific with it.